At this point, we are very familiar with the genitive case. In Latin, the genitive is commonly used to describe specification or possession. Cicero odio Claudii in exilium pulsus est. But there is more. Genitive of the whole is another name for genitive partitive. This genitive is used with words denoting a part when we want to describe a portion of something. These triggering words can be nouns, adjectives, pronouns, numerals, even forms of comparatives or superlatives. A part of the whole will always be in the genitive case. In English, it might sound like this. A few of the girls had a necklace. Which one of you brought a present? In Latin, words introducing a genitive of the whole could be 1. Nouns like pars partis, multitudo multitudinis, pars copiarum remanet, multitudo mulierum lugebat. 2. Pronouns like quis, quid, nemo, nihil. Nihil amoris erat. Quis vestrum hoc fecit? Nemo nostrum non errat. Quid novi est? 3. Adjectives in positive, comparative, or superlative degree. Maior fratrum in villa laborat. Pulcherrima rosarum aec est. Alter consulum venit. 4. Adverbs like satis, parum, plus. Parum diligentiae, satis pecuniae abeo. Quantum voluptatis in hoc est. 5. With cardinal numerals, often the genitive is substituted by ex plus ablative. Septem ex militibus mittuntur. 3 ex ducibus reliquerunt. Unus ex discipulis aeger erat. Let's check comprehension. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Support me on Patreon so I can keep making content. And as always, feel free to email me, ProfessorDaveExplains@gmail.com.